by making sure that you evaluate the time, cost and quality aspects on your product and your process across each of these steps, applying standard guidelines and engaging experts at the right time, you can take the experience and lessons learned from others to reduce your time and improve upon your product. If we have a look now at the original timescale, if we put in some examples of where you take the transfer to manufacture phase and you get your assembly provider and you start talking to them at the detailed development phase, you might be able to shave 2 weeks off this because you've already included a lot of things that are going to be important for them when you talk to them in that process, and they'll be geared up to be able to quote already. At the order time, again, you can look at particular materials and components that you already know that you're going to use, that you can take 6 weeks out of there and put that earlier in the process so that can be going along in the background so that when you do get to that point of ordering, you don't have that long wait. So by doing that, we bring it down to 26 weeks. The difference between 34 weeks and 26 weeks, that's just from a product development need point of view. When you factor this into reality, you've got people on leave. If you've got your designer in the space of 34 weeks, they're probably going to take a couple of weeks leave, which is going to affect the development process. You've got public holidays. If you're really bad, you're going to hit in the timing, you're going to hit the Christmas holidays and potentially miss out on a month of production time. This year was a great example whereby we had the Easter holidays with people taking days off either side, and then we had a 1st of May holiday, and then the day off for voting, where a lot of people took time for holiday off either side. You get people sick, you get other delays. So whilst this development process may show 26, once you add on all of the additional delays that can happen, that time can suddenly begin to extend quite considerably. So you really want to bring it in as tight as you can on the plan side of things to mitigate those kind of issues. In terms of cost of goods, if you can shave off around here and there across the process. Let's say, for example, we've managed to shave off 10 Rand in total off our 80 Rand. We've been very good with the optimization of our design for manufacture and assembly. That means you can bring your sale price down to 350 Rand, or you can take it as a profit margin. Competitive on the shelf or profit margin, your choice. That's it for the end of my presentation.